Hi, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will show you how I feed my layer chickens cheaply using just two ingredients. So in this video I'll be showing you the two ingredients and then how you are going to mix it, and at the end of the video I'll be giving you some tips. So stick around. And this method has helped me reduce feed costs without affecting egg production. So if you are looking for a simple and affordable way to feed your layer chickens, please stay with me till the end of the video. Don't skip. Number one ingredient is maize bran. Feeding is the biggest expense in poultry farming. If you can cut feed costs without compromising quality, you will increase your profit. So, our first ingredient is maize bran, a byproduct from maize processing. It's rich in energy and very affordable. So, all what you need is to look for dry maize bran, not moldy, very dry. And number two ingredient is layer concentrate. Layer concentrate. This is a protein-rich supplement that contains all essential vitamins and minerals needed for egg production. All what you need to do is to get your layer concentrate. This is direct from the company. You can get layer concentrate. You need to buy this, and you are ready to mix your layer chicken feed. So to start with, you are going to start with your maize bran. And this is 77.5 kg of maize bran. 77 kg of maize bran, because I'm preparing for 120 kg. So you have to make sure that your maize bran is completely dry. And next is our layer concentrate. Layer concentrate direct from the company. And this is 42.5 kilograms. Maize bran 77.5 kg, and then layer concentrate 42.5 kilograms. This will give me 120 kilograms of layer chicken feed. Now we are going to start mixing. The mixing is not easy. It's not easy because you need to mix it very well. Mix it very well. Just keep mixing. Keep mixing and mixing and mixing. This is where the work is. Mix and mix and mix until you will not be able to separate the concentrate and the maize bran. Going to mix it very well. Keep mixing and mixing and mixing. So this is just 120 kilograms. So when you try this, I can assure you that your income, you will see great profit in your income. And the production has not reduced. So this is not based on any research. This is what I have experienced, and I said let me share it so that maybe someone out there is struggling with feeding. So we are done mixing, and look at it. Wow, just look at that. Look at it, very fresh, mixed. Can you see? Wow. So why not try this and try to cut down the cost of chicken feed? If you'll be able to cut down the cost, I can assure you that you come here and testify that you have seen great changes in your income, in your daily income, instead of wasting money buying feed all the time. Why not try this? Just look at this. And the feed is completely dried. Can you see? Wow. This is so amazing. This is so amazing. So our feed is ready. It's ready for my chicken's consumption. Wow. Our feed is ready. So, in making this feed, you need a weighing scale for you to be able to get the accurate measurement. I believe every poultry farmer is supposed to have a weighing scale. So let me quickly give you 3 tips. Number 1 is make sure your maize bran is fresh and not moldy. Yes. Make sure it's fresh and not moldy, and you are good to go. Tip 2, store your feed in a dry place. store your feed in a dry place. And the third one is give your chickens clean water at all times. As I used to say all the time, that water you know yourself that you drink, give to your birds.